We've rented a duck boat, a private duck boat, to take us from the Prudential Center to Sunset Grill for our fantasy football draft. We're having a rolling rally for Robin Williams Forearms. Okay, great. Yeah.
Has anybody ever rented a duck boat to take them to a fantasy football draft before?
Not that I can say, but if there's anyone to do it first, I'd say this is pretty good.
And do you think $7,000 is too much to spend on a rolling rally for your fantasy football draft?
If I had the means, I would take a blimp ride that said it.
Where's the Celtics, the Patriots, the Bruins, and now the owners of Robin Williams Forearms, champion of Tight End City Fantasy Football. Rolling rally!
Let's get this thing going.
Woo!
Let's go, Boston!
Quack, quack! Woo!
Dude, this is crazier than I thought.
This is amazing! Did you drive the boat in any of the parades?
Yep.
Which ones?
I drove them in the Patriots and the Red Sox.
Is this more exciting that you're going to a fantasy football draft parade?
I got a clue.
Congratulations.
How you doing, sir?
Not bad, you?
I'm doing all right. We're going to our fantasy football draft. We won the championship.
Oh, nice.
Can you say congratulations?
Congratulations.
All right. Is that $2?
Yes.
All right, go get them.
Take care.
You're the man.
You're the man.
Streets are packed with fans. I mean, this is beyond my wildest dream. To think we'd be on a rolling rally on our way to the draft as champions of the league. No one believed in us.
Who wants to do it again this year, everybody?
Yeah!
Get up for it, Boston! Yeah!
Robin Williams Forearms!
Love you!
We invented Aaron Rodgers.
Mendy, Richard Mendenhall! Woo!
I agree with that sign. Suck it, Vinny.
You know what I'm talking about? There you go, sir.
Yeah!
Anything is possible!